Hi friends, this video shows how to format SanDisk SSD storage using POCO Android mobile phone. This is a SanDisk SSD storage which I am using. This is 1 TB SSD storage. Let me connect this SSD storage to this mobile phone. Okay, connected. And here you can see notification. SanDisk USB drive is connected. We can tap here, then we can see what is there inside in this SanDisk. Right now it's empty because this is a new fresh SanDisk SSD storage. That is why it's showing empty. Let me tap here, go back, then tap on this folder icon here on top, then tap on storage, then go down, and here we can see the size. SanDisk USB drive available 1 TB, total 1 TB, and we can see unmount and format option. So this is the option to format this SanDisk SSD storage. We can tap here, then we can tap on this format USB drive. So that way we can format this SanDisk SSD storage. There is one more option. Let me close this. Then open settings, tap on this settings app icon, then tap on about phone, then tap on storage, then go down, and here we can see SanDisk USB drive available 1 TB, total 1 TB, unmount and format. So we can use this same format USB drive option. Tap on this. You can see this SanDisk USB drive needs to be formatted to store apps, files and media. Formatting will erase existing content on the USB drive. To avoid losing content, back it up to another USB drive or device. So if you have any important files in your SSD storage, please take a backup before formatting it. Now we can tap on this format USB drive. So now it's formatting. Okay, done. Tap on done. So this way we can format it. Okay, so please check it. So if you want to unmount, you can see unmount option. Tap on this unmount. Okay, now it's safe to remove. We can remove this storage, SSD storage from the phone. Okay, done. So this way we can format SanDisk SSD storage using this POCO Android mobile phone.